This is your assisted pull-up and tricep dip machine, and I'll show you how to do it for the assisted pull-up first. For this machine though, it is listed in kilograms, so just monitor that. And when you're looking for a weight to put on here, the heavier weight you put on here, the easier it's gonna be because it's counterbalancing your weight. So if you put a weight on here that's heavier than you, you're gonna shoot up there, so just monitor which weight you put on here first. Holding on to each handle, taking one step at a time, grabbing onto the handles up here. Usually just say stick with the neutral grip here. The wider you move it out, the harder it will be. You're working deeper muscles. Put one leg up at a time, going all the way down till your arms are straight and pulling yourself back up. Getting down, easiest to grab onto the handles, go back up and take one step at a time until you're safely back on the ground again. This is your assisted pull-up and tricep dip machine, and I'll show you how to set it up for the tricep dip. For this machine, the heavier weight you put on here, the easier it's gonna be, so just monitor your weight. It's in kilograms, so just make sure you look at that conversion. So if you put a weight on here that's heavier than you, just monitor that because it's gonna shoot you up to the ceiling. So from here, you'll just grab on to each handle, taking one step at a time. One leg in, then the other. You'll go out till your arms are straight, going out till your elbows are out to the side, and pressing back up. Getting off, it's easiest to bring it all the way back up. Take one step at a time until both feet are safely back on the ground.